Hi everyone, in today's video we are diving into how BIPV technology is transforming sustainable architecture in India. What is BIPV? You might have been hearing a lot about BIPV lately. In fact, just a few months ago, Indian government has announced that BIPV structures are now eligible for solar subsidies under PM Suryaghar scheme. So what exactly is this technology? Let's break it down. Solar energy has become more affordable over the years. However, many people still cannot access this resource because they do not have a space to set up the traditional solar panels. This includes residents in apartment buildings and societies and even business owners with factories and offices that lack roof space. Traditional solar setup can affect building aesthetics. People want to lower their electricity bill with solar, but they don't want mount and racks to ruin the looks of their homes and offices. That's where BIPV comes in as the perfect solution. BIPV stands for Building Integrated Photovoltaics. It involves using solar panels as a building materials and integrating directly them into structure itself. For example, installing solar panels on top of your roof, you could have a roof entirely made up of solar panels. Or imagine your balcony or window rails could generate a solar electricity. Pretty cool, right? From roof tiles to facades and windows to canopies, carports and parapets, photovoltaics can be seamlessly integrated into many parts of the building. But is it safe? Absolutely. BIPV panels undergo rigorous testing to ensure there are no risks of fire or electric shock. With effective thermal management, they also minimize heat buildup and keep the interiors cool. Plus, this technology is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, and that's not all. BIPV technology is cost effective as you save on building materials and reduce energy expenses. Multifunctional BIPV panel serves as traditional roofs, windows, etc. while also generating power and visually appealing. It complements the building's aesthetics. Building integrated photovoltaics technology is gaining traction in India. Take a look at this data center in Mumbai, which has replaced its glass with thin film solar panels, or this building in New Delhi with BIPV facade and roofs. And of course, these airports in Hyderabad and Kolkata, which adopted the BIPV technology to meet their energy needs. Share your thoughts on BIPV technology in India in the comment section below, and do not forget to follow us for more such videos.